Today's tech tip is about a Chrome extension called Remote for Slides. What this extension does is it makes any device with internet access your remote for a slide presentation. To do this, you do this in 3 steps. 1, you add the Remote for Slides extension, then open a slideshow that you want to present, and then follow the prompts in the slideshow toolbar. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Remote for Slides extension, and add that extension to Chrome. Go ahead and accept anything that they ask you to add the extension, and then you're good to go. Now, if you prefer written directions, you can right-click on the extension up here, and the directions, the written directions for how to use it will come up. So now I'm going to go into a slideshow and open it. Once I open the slideshow, in the top right next to Present, it'll say Present with Remote. Once the slideshow has loaded, sometimes it takes a minute in Google Slides, I'll hit the Present with Remote button. And now my presentation bar has a little bit more on it. It tells me what website to go to and what code to put in order to be able to control my slideshow. So from here, I go to whatever device I plan to use to control my slideshow from. This one happens to be an iPad. I'm going to open Chrome on that iPad and go to the website that they gave me on my slideshow that's being presented. And then I can bookmark this website because it's the same for every slideshow I want to control. Then I type in the number, the access number they gave me. On my iPad, it showed up white, but when I hit return, it worked. And now I have a remote control where I can scroll forward and backward in the slideshow. So now on my screen, I can control my slideshow back and forth with those 2 buttons that are on my remote device. And when I finish, there's a little box on the right-hand side. I can click Stop Remote. Now I found that it's hard to get out of this. Escape doesn't work, so when I'm done, I just close the tab. And that's it. So let us know how it goes if you use this, and have a great week.